Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. Today I would like to share to you a tutorial on how to align text on your Google Docs. So I'm gonna start by open my Google Docs and then open the file that I want to edit or you want to edit. For example, this one. Okay, I'm gonna change the theme first, and then if you want to edit the file, you just need to click on this pencil icon at the bottom. Okay, here you can see there is some what is it called, feature that you can use. But if you want to align the text, you just need to block, okay, put the what is it called, the cursor to the first paragraph, for example, and then click on this one right here, the alignment icon. Okay, click on this and you can choose whether you want to align the text to the left, to the right, or to the center. I want to align the text, for example, I want to choose this one. There you can see the alignment is changed based on this alignment that you choose. Okay, just like that. Okay, I think that is it, how to you can align text on Google Docs. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.